There are many products to choose the best garden tools set, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make the right decisions, I did a lot of effectives research and an overall review, and made a list of the best garden tools set from reputable brands. After a ton of research, I found this product will be helpful for all the gardeners. If you want to know more information and price about the best garden tools set, please check the description box. So without any further delay, we can watch the video. Number 1. WorkPro Garden Tools Set. WorkPro Garden Tools Set is a heavy-duty gardening toolkit made of high-hard stainless steel that is extremely resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity and reliability, and which won't bend or break during use, and quickly meet any challenges in gardening. It has a large capacity garden tool handy in stylish 12-inch garden tote storage bag made of super strong 600D polyester with 8 exterior side pockets and elastic loops above pockets, so it is easy to keep more tools in place and carry them with you wherever you go. It is a precise and durable garden set. The blades of the pruner are made of premium SK5 steel, which is specially designed for quickly and precisely cutting. The high back design of the weeder makes you effortless when you loosen and dig weeds from soil. The precise scale on the transplanter can help you transplant green plants effectively and quickly. It has a comfortable and ergonomic handle. The carefully contoured handle made of smooth wood fits easily in your hand and will reduce the pain of yard work on your hands. Practical sizes and lightweight for better handling, whereas the ergonomic design minimizes fatigue or discomfort. Practical handle hanging hole design and lanyard are easy to store, and the wood materials and colors are closer to nature. Number 2. Glaric Gardening Tool Set. The Glaric Gardening Tool Set is 10 pieces tools kit, including transplanter, trowel, pruner, rake, weeder, weeding fork, sprayer, garden gloves with fingertips, claws, gloves with a multi-compartment tote, suitable for digging, weeding, loosening, planting. It has a non-slip design of the handle, provides superior comfort, and reduces stress and fatigue on the hands and wrists. All handle tools have hanging holes, a hole at the top of each handle for clutter-free storage. Additionally, it also includes a stainless snip, ideal for the precisely trimming and shaping of flowers and small plants. There are 2 pairs of gloves. Garden gloves with fingertips, claws, claw on the right hand, easy solution for small digging, planting and taking. The others will protective, safe for rose pruning, are perfect for all your garden needs. The bag it comes with makes it easy to carry around tools and other small gardening supplies. Number 3. Tudoxi Garden Tool Set. Tudoxi Garden Tool Set will meet all your needs for garden works with trowel, transplanter, hand rake, cultivator, weeder, pruner, spray bottle, plant rope, garden seeder, 20 pieces butterfly stakes, 40 pieces plant tags, 2 pieces gloves with fingertips, claws, 2-pack plant self-watering spikes, 9 pieces mini succulent tool set, and tote organizer. The Tudoxi Garden Tools Set has 9 pieces bonus garden hand tools that meet your various gardening needs, which are suitable for succulent plants, bonsai plants, and indoors for small plants, etc., like digging, watering, loosening soil, transplanting, pruning, hydroponics growing. These 6 metal hand tools are made of Japanese carbon steel with ultra-fine polishing technology to keep corrosion resistance and toughness. The handle is made of high-quality TPR rubber, which is comfortable and non-slip. The ergonomic rubber grip with contoured finger grips and palm rest reduces hand and wrist fatigue while weeding and features a hang hole for convenient storage. It has garden gloves with fingertips, claws, claw on the right hand, easy solution for small digging, planting, and raking, and comes with a machine washable and multi-pocketed double gauze cotton tote bag that makes it easy to carry and store gardening supplies as needed. Number 4. SEEDR Garden Works Garden Tool Set. This garden tools starter kit comes with everything needed to dig, weed, transplant, and grow your garden, including a garden bag, large trowel, cultivator, transplanter, weeder, bypass pruning shears, and gardening gloves. It's made with black carbon steel and walnut stained wooden handles, breathable fabrics, rust-resistant metals, and ergonomic handle design, meaning your tools are built to be your companion throughout the gardening journey. Number 5. Scuttles Gardening Tool Set. Scuttles Gardening Tools Set has durable stainless steel gardening tools that dig, plant, and grow like a pro. With the Scuttles Gardening Tools storage, new and improved design features heavy-duty, stainless steel tools that are tough enough to handle any gardening task. Don't worry about getting your hands dirty. Includes construction-grade gloves to keep them clean and protected. Its double gauze cotton garden tool bag tote is a total boss babe, tough enough to handle your tools, and even machine washable for easy cleanup. Scuttle's heavy-duty gardening bag is 300 Oxford fabric, in other words strong and durable material, and with plenty of extra pockets. It has 8 in one set and is jam-packed with all the gardening goodies. It's a gardening shovel, mini rake, trowel, cultivator, hand weeder, transplanting spade, heavy-duty gloves, and a premium garden tote bag to carry it all in style. That's all from my end. I think this video will help you to make the right decision. I upload helpful videos daily, so please subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about the product, please check out my description. I make effective and helpful videos in this channel, and for any kinds of problems, comment below. Stay with us for cool updated product reviews. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.